Hello everyone, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this video, we are going to see the relationship between the backward difference operator and the backward shift operator. So first we will define what is backward difference operator. So inverted delta of f of x is nothing but f of x minus f of x minus h. So this is the backward difference operator. And e raised to minus 1 is backward shift operator, and it is given by e raised to minus 1 f of x is nothing but f of x minus h. So from this equation, we can put f of x minus h here as e inverse of f of x. So we get inverted delta of f of x is equal to f of x minus this term, that is e inverse of f of x. So from these two terms, we can take f of x common. We will get f of x 1 minus e inverse, and here we have inverted delta of f of x. So if we combine the coefficient of f of x, we will get inverted delta, that is backward difference operator, is equal to 1 minus e inverse. And this relation can also be represented as e inverse is equal to 1 minus inverted delta. So this is the relationship between the inverse backward shift operator and the backward difference operator. If we define our d equal to f dash of x, then we have e inverse of f of x equal to f of x minus h. So this is nothing but d of f of x is equal to f dash of x. Then d square, that is second derivative of f of x, is f of double dash of x. So we are going to substitute these terms here. So we will get f of x minus h. F dash of x can be replaced by d into f of x. Similarly, all the derivatives and so on. So from this equation, we can take f of x common, and inside the bracket we will have 1 minus hd plus h square upon 2 factorial minus h cube upon 3 factorial. And here we will have d square, here we will have d cube, and so on. So what is the expansion of e raised to minus x? Expansion of e raised to minus x is nothing but 1 minus x plus x square upon 2 factorial minus x cube upon 3 factorial, and so on. If we replace x by hd, we will get this term. So this expansion is nothing but e raised to minus hd into f of x. So we get e inverse of f of x is also equal to e minus hd f of x. So we get e inverse of f of x is equal to e raised to minus hd f of x. So if we compare the coefficient of f of x, we will get e inverse as e minus of hd. And we know that e inverse is nothing but 1 minus inverted delta. So 1 minus inverted delta is also equal to e minus hd. So this is the next relationship between backward difference operator and backward shift operator. More such relationship we will see in our next video. So stay tuned for our future lectures.